You've been following me for a while, you know who this is for. This is for the niece and the two nephews. Anyway, it was a very simple project, and I don't know what to call it. I'm thinking Easter Bunny Basket. I don't know. Anyway, if you can come up with a better name, leave it for me in the comments section. This is a very simple project. You take 4 bowls, which all the bowls came from Dollar Tree, and you connect the 2 bowls with tape on the inside. You fill it up with whatever your treats or whatever it is you want to put in it, and you're going to connect the other bowl the same exact way and put a couple pieces of tape on the outside. Like I said, a very simple project. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave it in the comments section. Also, looking over this, I noticed that I think if you decide to do this project, a bunny tail will make this even cuter. Anyway, I'll probably add this to theirs. I just didn't think about it, so I started editing the video. Anyway, again, y'all got any questions, let me know.